Look at his face. He's like, he has this artist face. Like, one, two, three, go!
So today I'm going to teach you how to make a snowflake. So you do this. You have to make sure at the edge. And you grab your scissors and then you do this.
Okay. And then you fold it again.
And you pat it like this. Grab your scissors and then you decorate it.
Decorate it.
As much as you want.
As much as you want.
And you can make this thing small, but it'll be pretty hard.
Okay.
The more you cut,
네.
the more cooler it looks. And once you're done, you can open it up. Well, I'm not done yet. Almost did it.
Almost.
Okay, I'm done now. So I cut it lots and lots. It's hard to open up mine.
Uh-oh. Too many cuts.
You know what will happen if there's too many cuts?
No, show us. We need the finished product. Let's see.
This will happen once it's
Okay, that's gonna happen if you cut too much.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it gets cooler and cooler as you cut more and more.
Mom said that it's not me.
Oh, Mom said that.
Yeah, Mom says it now. Oh, so this is what mine looks like. So now it's Appa's turn.
Appa's turn? Okay, Appa show you. So 30 years ago, I think I did this 30 years ago.
Hey, once you were my age?
Was that your age once?
Yes, because 30 years ago was when you were 6.
Right.
So you're the same age.
No, Appa was born like this. I was never a kid.
No, you weren't. I'm going to call your mom, okay? I'm going to call her money. And you mind if I steal your phone for a second?
No, I don't.
Appa's still good after 30 years. Okay, Appa clean it up now or?
Yeah, I'll clean it up.
Appa clean it up. Say Appa clean it up.
I'll clean it up.
네. 야, 학교 가야 돼. 빨리 학교 갑시다. 안녕.
Well, see ya. Ryan out.
Get Ryan out of the house to school.
Big boy, Ryan out. Flexible.
와우, 야 다친다 야.
Big boy.
Ryan the B-boy예요. 와우. 와, 야 조심해. 다쳐. The best B-boy of the family came.
I'll see how you do
Try,
it.
pretend you have a music, because we can put music on this. Whoa!
Wait.
B-boy Evan! Nice backspin.
Thanks. Let me try it. Backspin.
You got it.
Okay, show us your freeze. What? job.
Which one you think's third, me or Evan?
You're both good.
Which one you
chair,
like
chair.
better?
Everyone's doing chair. You're chair. Wow! Just take your hand off. Yeah! Whoa!
Look like the iron.
This is emergency place. Watch. I'm going to freeze. Hey!
How do you guys do in gym classes?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, eh? You guys will have no problem. Yow! Wow. You can do a push-up?
I can even do, watch this.
Okay.
One, two, three.
2.
Truly, okay? 3 and 3.
Wow. Better, yes. Send your leg to the right. Yes. Okay. You have to spread a little bit, but it's much better. We're gonna finish windmill one day.
Yeah,
Yeah? We'll do it?
I promise.
Okay, cool. Bam!
Thank you. Okay, perfect. Okay.
Look at his face. He's like, he has this artist face. Like, okay, your turn.
Beethoven.
You're the best. Evan is the best piano player, best b-boy. But you know, you better watch out because Ryan's chasing you pretty quick here. 그리고 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 돌고. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
여섯,
여섯.
여섯. Watch.
Yeah, I'm watching. Yow.
Breakdance pose.
Pose, last pose, ending pose.
Ryan
Okay.
counts. Wait. Ending pose. Ryan